Hi guys, hello and welcome back to stream again. So how you are doing? In this video we are going to see Apple's new augmented reality glasses. Like the top Google's glasses, Apple is going to release Apple glasses, but still it is in prototype. There is no official release from Apple, but we have get this information from legitimate articles. So that's what we are going to see in this video. And Apple is going to take on this glass platform of interacting with the apps to the next level, because they are going to use augmented reality in their Apple glasses. See, augmented reality, for your simple understanding, is like the top Pokemon game. See, in Pokemon game there will be no Pokemons in the real world, but if you see through your mobile devices, the Pokemon will be there. Like in the same manner, the apps will be screened on the glasses of the Apple glasses. You can experience them while seeing through your eyes, that there will be a 3D image of the app, but in reality there will be no such kind. So when you are interacting with the apps, you will find that you are interacting, but when you see from a third person perspective, from a third person side, you will be just swiping your hands in the air. That's what they will see from their eyes. So simply saying, you will be interacting with in a 3D model of apps with the Google glasses. So that is what the augmented reality that they are using to interacting with that 3D model. Apple glasses are using a technology which is called the LiDAR. So simply abbreviating, LiDAR is simply light detection and ranging. So it is something like that of getting the light emitted from an source is reflected or refracted back, so that your hand movements will be detected by the glasses while you are interacting with the apps. So when you swipe, your hand gesture has been recorded by the glasses. With the help of your gesture, the Apple glasses platform will operate. Fine. So this is what the technology that have been used by Apple to make interaction with the apps. But if you take in Google glasses, you need to use your hands to swipe up and down in the Google glasses, in the right side of your Google glasses. But in Apple, you don't need to touch the Google glasses at all. Just you need to swipe your hands in the air. That's all. So Apple is taking this into a next level, and most important thing is that at the initial beginning, 100 pieces of this Google glasses will be produced in the same frame in which Steve Jobs has used. So if you see in the screen the circular frame in which the Steve Jobs used, like that the same kind of Apple glasses are going to be in the market for the 100 pieces, and then on it will be normal particular kind of frame that you will ask. So this is what you need to go for it, and the price tag, we consider that it would be around $499 US dollars. Fine. The marketing strategy is same as like the top Apple Watches first generation. So a 40,000 initial pieces of 40,000 Apple first generation watches has been made with golden straps. Like this marketing, they are using Steve Jobs goggles or spectacles to make popular of this Apple glasses. So I hope you like this video. Hit the thumbs up button, and also tell us about the video and the glasses in the comment section below. And for your kind information, that this glasses is going to be in the market either at the end of 2020 or else at the beginning of 2021, based on the COVID-19 crisis. So just depend on it, it will get marketed or else it will be kept in secret. So hope you like this video. Hit the thumbs up, and also I think you already get subscribed to our channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you won't lose any of our videos. So until then, it's signing off. Stream. Take care.